Bukele emakhaya this week ku-Azishe niphathele two legendary coaches whereby Nzabeni this dispatch coach Umzoli Foster explain about his academy and also Uthando Lubise whereby naye explain about life work and also changing life community. Therefore xa ndivala ngozolani Swellendawo uzabe Poisons Park apho ephuhlisa khona abantwana. Cela ningene nami nilandele guys ku-Azishe ezemidlalo. Bukele emakhaya esibenjile khona. Now I'm with the legendary Umzoli Foster. You may know him formerly with Bay United, former coach of Henley FC, Onipisi Motsepe. Guys, legend on himself. Up at his pitch. I don't know about the coach or should I say the president or the chairman. Coach njani mhlanjwe kazish.
Let me say you're right, Linge, and also your crew. I'm grateful kakhulu for the opportunity nenika yona.
Yeah.
For into bana bandizokwenza interview apha ngelixesha.
Coach, masigawule khokho singene kumbali lo size ngayo. Coach, if I've known you through football, I won't say athletics or rugby, quasi through football. Bukela yabona Bukelo sadlala, where it all started, the love of sport.
Okay. I think uqala kwam from a young age ndikhulela from a family like sport. Because ekhaya bekudlalwa irugby, tata ndimazi edlala irugby. Also like zikhona ke gloves boxing.
Yeah.
And then even alapha ekuhlaleni I was part of boxing and karate. Also ne-rugby from esikolweni.
Yeah.
And then also eyona nto yandithatha kakhulu yisoka, because isoka yandithatha kakhulu kwezi zinto zonke ezithe ndazidlala sporting courts ndazidlala.
And by mentioning soccer, you went to play professional?
It's a difficult question unbuza yona coach, to be honest to you. You know, when we're young, as much as sithi une-dreams to play professional, but you don't know indlela yoya kuyo path le, because apha dispatch ndaba ngumuntu oqala for udlala professional.
Yeah.
Ndingazange ndibone kumuntu like okhoyo before, and then I've got all opportunity njalo, and ndanemibono just nje into abana bangaba ndibona like that's one of the player that ndandiyibona eyayidlala England, that is Beckham, David Beckham. Wayendibayirisha kakhulu yena yabo. So ngumuntu nanjonga kuye but ndingayazi indlela yohamba through uyotsho ku-professional. And then I've got opportunity ka udlala kwi-Dispatch Pioneers from up eKasi, and then from Dispatch Pioneers I went to play for School of Excellence from whereby the selector from
FCK.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes, it was 2001 ngoko. And then from there School of Excellence la udlala Park United. From Park United I went to play for Maritzburg United. Then from there Maritzburg United I went to play for Bay United. And then this way khona iqale khona lento that said yes ubhekela phambili ngayibona nami at least into kwazi ubeka isonke etafuleni ndingayazi into abana bangaba mhlambi nokwenza just like unobeka isonke etafuleni, and then other people ke babona into abana okay possible lento, and then the guys ke from apha elokishini they share nazo with knowledge into abana guys possible le way, and also nathi sisuka apha elokishini siyaziwa, and then like ngokuthi into abana bangaba the opportunity ndiyifumana for uhamba, and I was so inspired kakhulu because the time ndifumana le opportunity there were guy apha kwakuthiwa nguSiyabonga Lontshinga, if you still remember. Siyabonga Lontshinga, we used to hlala together for almost the entire day, especially xa ndibuyile from uyodlala ngaphandle. So ndafumana la opportunity into abana bangaba at least umuntu olapha ecam kwakho umbona into abana progress through like until adadlala Bafana, and it was something like amazing from Kuti, from elokishini, and with even abantwana abancinci ubona into abana bangaba possible and for ikwenzeka. So,
and since you're mentioning now the community, currently what are you doing for your community? I know there's a Umzoli Foster Academy, and then iyamanjani so far?
Okay. If I can tell you, after ndigqibile udlala isoccer, I went to coaching,
Yeah.
coaching Dispatch Pioneers, because I was having this thing in mind. But I have to give back to the community because of my experiences throughout these years. So ubuya kwami ndienda coach Pioneers, from usukela Pioneers, and then I was having this dream in I need to push like on a daily basis. Yeah, so with the same mindset ndaninayo ekudlaleni, so we shifted to coaching. So xa ndibona i-progression ye-players, so bendinale nto intobana bangaba it's not enough, because there's some of ezinye players funeka zibe kanti ziyaprogressa. So I was pushing myself intobana nam ndibe kwesinye standard, so that these players endizigumayo, so that they can get the chances. So as band coacher, I coached a lot of teams like Lion City, yes, a lot of teams like Subs. There's other team that is from Zwide.
Morning Stars.
Morning Stars, yes, Morning Stars. So I've coached like the opportunity in the main candidate through like a draft. And then after that, and then Kwakwi team, one of the guy from Ejobek, I think 2 years back, Henley. And then Henley was sneak opportunity, was taking a team from Afet Dispatch, and then we end up like grooming some of his new players, and then a team Pelen Kwayo. And then I was having this thing in the one about it's not enough still.
Yeah.
Because the ambile no coacher from Kwilanduka ABC Mutsepe, I think this time around again boy and Dickens of questions because this is where Konendi Bona in the and then that time the one and Sadlala where Saswoyiwe with the Ilanduka Oputabakulu, but we find in the Banabanga not that much that is Ilanduka in Ukoyo. So I said to myself, no man, let me start as hands. And also like the Bekantin, the starter in the that's my own legacy. From starting and then that develop again Landuka Lomzole Football Academy from the age of 13 and then 15 and under 19. Wow. So in the starter corner right now. So in the growth journey, Upegela family. And then also
in terms of the resources, man, at Dispatch with the academy and it's so good that much or
to be honest, it's quite hard. Cool. Not only for now, according to Indlela in the experience and
yes.
There's a lot of guys that is try by all means to develop the kids.
Okay.
We've got many challenges as NAS. Many challenges like we don't have like soccer fields. A proper for soccer fields. We don't have equipment, you see. And then also the buildings who build up for Abandwana, like Omzekelo. We don't have a clubhouse.
Yeah.
We don't have people that is Abantu, knowledge that is can come, you know, and then build Abandwana holistically.
Okay.
Because the only focus with teams too, we just give Abandwana into Banabam and then it's done. And then that challenge, it makes it if football is cool. We've got I'm telling you, we've got people that is about passionate about soccer. Around, we've got people no doubt. But man, this is cool and then about passionate about soccer. But those people about money assistance from government. It doesn't mean they want to say we're writing letters, we're meeting people. And then even on the platform, it's one of the platform that is any sneaker on a chance to expose ourselves. We still sick away. And there are so many people now blame you today. And
also before CC your message to the parents, because when you mention the word of academy, obviously you need Abazal to play their part on your not only your in the Yakub and the community academy so the foster. What's your message to the parents that that you wish you bangene kuzemidlalo?
I think the message it's clear to the parents that you know abazali mabasondele to understand exactly what is happening to abantwana babo with any sport.
Okay.
Not only just like soccer, mabasondele ba understand the one exactly indoni lento abantwana iba driver you through into bana babayi.
Yes.
Because if bangaba umntana uya continuisha uya endaweni, so umzali makamlandele umntana.
Yeah.
And also not as coaches, we've got to have a relationship right kunye nabazali. And the last thing into enzayicho abazali thinks into abana bangaba any sport that is esikhoyo it seems ingathi kukhutshwa imali.
Okay.
Not knowing into abana bangaba lo mntana if bangaba unomlandelela lo mntana angangomnye umuntu kwi-community
Yes.
obhetha, because thina nanawe right now sihleli apha nanawe singilo mzekelo njalo because through sport.
Yeah.
Yabo, so umzekelo omhle siubona pha kuthi because of his support esithe sayifumana like ebazalini bethu. So it makes loo nto leyo into yobana sibe nayo confidence enough right now sikwazi ucebisa kunye nabanye abantwana into yobana bangaya ndawoni ebomini, because mna nawe singumzekelo omhle because you make sure wena into yobana bangaba today siyaziwa because of into yobana bangaba nawe you've been to this part. Yeah, and you played your role.
Yeah.
And even now you're still playing your role. So abazali ngomso nangomso banayo chance into abana abantwana babo bangabenzela indawo ezingcono through sport. So sport sinendima enkulu esidlalayo.
Coach, thanks man for chalako there for time. Appreciate kakhulu ngomazwi wakho guys. Izazisho guys as Coach Mzoli naye sixalela kubana abazali even the community as a whole they play a role enkulu. Ningayi indawo guys. Ezemidlalo guys, isazishe Nolinga Gcwabe sibuye ke intengiswe now. I'm joined by I don't know how to introduce Yena, or they know him as a big man. But Luthando Lubisa. I won't even say coach or chairman. I don't know how to introduce yourself. Coach Ujana, I'm touch.
Hey, I'm good, Linge.
And
Thanks for coming, and winner.
yeah, I'm good man. Can't complain man.
Number one.
Azishe ke guys yayazi on Makaya that I always profile. They can be the players, the legends, can be a sports administrator. Probably you've got Kena different caps zakhe. Probably let abantu bakazishe bana ngubani uLuthando Lubisa.
Okay. Luthando Lubisa I was born in Port Elizabeth, Ezwide. I grew up in Motherwell.
Okay.
And was fortunate enough to play sport, which is cricket, soccer, and rugby.
Yeah.
And in one of the provincial tournaments, I was spotted by Evets.
Okay.
And then I left PE, I think I was 13, turning 14.
Okay.
And then I had an opportunity to do my high school at Joburg.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And also pursue my football career at Joburg, at Evets Football Club. Engasekhoyo ke ngoku. I think basically that's where my love for football came through. I think because of that opportunity, I put more focus with soccer.
Okay.
And obviously completing my studies. Unfortunately, as most people the football know,
Yeah.
you are exposed to injuries.
Yeah.
I was injured. I was very injury prone. And as soon as I completed my studies, I decided, no man, let me come back home and give back yonke experience bendinayo. So I think that is where Motherwell Academy started.
Yeah. I'm coming there now. Yeah.
That is where Motherwell Academy started. And basically, Vision Motherwell was, I started it with Ernest Makina.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
No, Kaya Mpushe.
Yeah.
Guys that I grew up playing with. Where I just informed them of the vision that I had, and I needed people that I knew are passionate about.
Back then, I still remember I was still playing that senior football. The academy was not as into big corner good Motherwell, but yeah, there were only football clubs, not academy.
Yes.
Yeah. So yes.
So basically, we wanted to change. We wanted to coach the boys in terms of getting proper coaching.
Yeah.
Because remember, when we started, we had a coach, but they didn't go into detail. So Tina, we came up with the idea of saying, let's try and do it the right way. We might not have the resources like your bigger academies, Evets. However, in terms of the skill and the knowledge, we had it. So we pursued it, and I think one of our first professional players,
Okay.
it was that we produced. We produced him in a period of 3 years.
Dinge.
No, Makoko, the
Oh,
former,
yeah, Ala, yes, yeah.
Makoko,
Center back.
former, yes,
Tax, yeah, center back, yeah.
yeah. So we in a high beer,
Yeah.
yeah. So he was our first graduate, some Saku Santos,
Yeah.
and
Sakhumbula,
basically that's
yeah.
where the foundation started, and then we've had a few boys coming through. Even Obongani Sam came through, but he left early.
Yeah. Still remember that
Yeah.
season, yes.
And then we had to Dinge,
Yes, Violet.
Violet to Dinge, and then we had few going to other academies
Okay.
like Super Sport, and then recently good playoffs zethu ngosiwina u-SAB uKwayiba was part of that those playoffs uSinoxolo Kwayiba.
Yes.
So I think indaba ye ndibuze ingathi ndiyazi-interview kwisho.
Mamele yakho like
Then,
the one when you flow so as near as you whenever umthethe you
don't
allow
interrupt.
no you don't, yeah.
Then
Yeah.
we-
It's a good story actually, yeah.
Then from there, that's how GIA Sports Consulting, which stands for
Yeah.
God is able. Yeah, bo. That's how it started.
Yeah, and I think the indlela yokuqala ngkhona ngayo abantu they didn't see the idea that off season have to train players like zingarelax June from mid May to mid July. Players that's la nto binga but wena nayiqala from niqala Swartkop Sifa still
Yeah,
believe
yeah,
kakuhle with
yeah.
with I'm not sure Eddie
Eddie
was
Ngalo,
involved
yeah.
Ngalo was involved with question, yes.
Yeah. So that's how GIA Sports Consulting started.
Yeah.
Umakoko signed his first professional deal with Sandoz, and then I happened to be there.
Wow.
Yabo. So I happened to be there because abazali bakhe could only trust me as
Okay.
umuntu omdevelopile. So we did the Sandoz deal, and then we did the Steenberg.
Oh, yeah, Steenberg, okay.
Then he moved to Steenberg when Sandoz was relegated. He moved to Steenberg, and then basically I just happened to be at the right place at the right time.
That the feeling of Uhlala with the chairman, the top club and the player, and also with this NSL contract, umdusendlini ongayaziyo, like injani that feeling?
It's a good feeling, but we cannot be too excited
Yeah.
when you are in that situation because ekugqibeleni you are presenting the player.
Yeah.
You want what is best for the player, and sometimes that cannot be the right thing for the club that wants to sign the player. So you are in a catch-22 situation,
Okay.
where your interest lies merely on the player. So awukwazi ubefrienda chairman,
Yeah.
you know. So it's a difficult space to be in, but I take it someone has to do it. And I think mna I qualify as the right person because if I recall Everett, I negotiated my first contract.
Wow,
Yabo.
perfect.
So at least
Yeah.
they understand the challenges zebhola. You might be relevant today.
Yeah.
So it's important that you negotiate the correct deal,
And
because tomorrow you might not be relevant.
clear situation challenges, ne? You find that there's a player excited for Osana contract. I'm always say name will be on TV, and then when as an I won't say an agent, but as a mediator of this the conversation, you see this thing is not beneficiary in a long term for the player, and you play and if you no sign it in that situation. How do you deal with it?
I think most importantly, with regards to that, I don't like to call myself an agent.
Yeah.
Because
Fair, see, mediator,
experience yam kwi-agents, experience yam, I feel that it's like a property agent.
Yeah.
Uyakuthengisela nidibana that day and then the deal is done. it's finished.
Yeah.
So me, I regard myself as a manager,
Yeah.
you know, because I take care of izinto the client, their business outside of the football pitch, which is a very comprehensive thing. So that's seriously how I take myself. Um, in that regard, I'm gonna say it's a difficult position to find yourself in, but you do educate the player before you go and negotiate. You tell him, listen, we're going to negotiate. For me, this is what I feel would be the right package for you. Obviously, the team knows that this is your first deal, so they will try and push their way so that they get what they want. So if I walk away, you must just follow me. Unfortunately. I know sometimes it's a difficult thing because it's your first contract, it's your
Excited,
first deal, you are excited. But in many occasions, I'll be honest, for me, I've been fortunate that we basically meet each other halfway in a team.
But obviously, before Sivale, there's a player, there's a parent, there's a club of the player, and then there's you as a manager. In that situation, what's your advice to Abazali that Banana Baba desperate to make a professional setup of these academies? What's your message to them and also the local coaches as well?
To the parents, I think the main important thing is to support your child. Whether badlala is soccer, whether badlala is rugby, cricket, and most importantly to lay the education foundation. Because at least allow the child to grow, agqibe isikolo, mhlawumbe matric, and then at least after that uyakwazi uzenzela ezinye decision. But I think the most important thing is to support your child and be there for them. And then to the coaches, I think it's the most important thing is to upskill yourself as much as you can, as much as possible, so that you can offer the kids better learning environment and learning conditions on the field of play. And then to the clubs, I think they are. I don't know if you want to mention the amateur clubs or the professional clubs.
The amateur clubs.
I think the amateur clubs need to keep on doing what they are doing. They need to have a vision. And they need to ensure that whoever that comes to the club, they are aligned to that vision. I think that's the most important thing. I can say.
Papi, thanks for your time and appreciate me. And guys, kwala side lingi kwabe esemidlalo azishe. Please stay tuned. Guys, it's Azishe Zemidlalo. Welcome back from the ad break. Nizibonele from the profiling. Now, tilapha eMission Vale. Lapho we play as the corner, the ball, the corner, and also Luana Swelendao. Lamla brother, unjani namhlanje? Ndiyaphila Brahman. Kunjani udlala ibhola ku-Agents Khona namhlanje apha eMission Vale?
Right, mani kakhulu, especially under Coach Sipa because usifundisa lukhulu, not na ebaleni qana ngapha off the field. Stitching ezininzi so.
Udlala ibhola wena ngeyipposition oyithandayo that oyidlalayo iposition emalini?
Mina ngidlala number 6 defensive midfielder, but eniyithandayo number 9 striker because ndiyaphusha by the score.
Ndibuzile earlier zithina i-responsibilities zaka number 6.
Usoloko ujonga ibalo, scanner, ujonga i-opponents baziphi ne-players zakho nazo bazime ndawo. Kwenzeke xa ufumana ibhola ukwazi uquick ujonga uyazi uba uzayisapha.
Okay ke boy, well done, udlala ibhola ungayekhi beyibest ne. Sure ke boy, sure uthamba beqela Lamla. Guys, ngoLamla lo, one of the players ezidlala apha ku-Vobs whereby team eseMission Vale, team khona eyaziwayo kakhulu lapho when it comes to development under uCoach Zolani. Now I'm being joined ngu-Achuma. Ane? Njani mfondini? Ndiyaphila mfondini. Xa umdala ngephi ufuna udlala phi? Ufuna uzibona uphi osomdala?
Ngizibona ngiSundowns. Dlalela team eziphezulu.
And then ke ukuze ukwazi ke into ophupha njalo ofezekise funeke wenze njani?
Practice, gym kanzima. Yeah.
So ufuna uthini kumashiteni akho ngcono lamla ngokufuna uthini kumashita akho xa ufuna uwa motivator?
Ufuna uthi kwamajit bangayeki. Udlala ibhola, ufunda.
Yeah.
Then bazoba ne-future right.
Hayi ke awuthama egreen yakho nawo begreen ebholeni yabona. So ke boy begreen guys niyazivela kwezemidlalo azishe bana xa udlala ibhola funeka uzimisele amashita akho ayajima nayo onke. Nami ke ndingulinge because of isport zemidlalo. Now ndijoyine bangane igama lakho? Hlumelo. Mona nguyefundile njani?
Right now.
Degree nguyefundile. Udlala position nguyef wena?
Dlala Silabhek.
Mona ufitshane kuSilabhek. Uthini umsebenzi wakho? Jonga phayana uthini umsebenzi wakho mfuna? Sixelele umsebenzi wakho wena Silabhek uthini mhlawumbe ngusibisi?
Ya, ngusibisi. Abantu babiza ngokwazi kodwa. Ya. Umsebenzi wakho defend ibhola and defend nokeeper wakho.
Funda phi wena esikolweni uyafunda udlala iposition esikolweni?
Hayi iposition nami Silabhek ngifunde noyisi.
So xa ufuna ukubona uphi wena xa udlala ibhola ngephi into ofuna uzibona kuyo mhlawumbe iminyaka mi-5 or iminyaka mi-10 ezayo?
Uzibona nje TV.
Una TV phone TV ngikuyo.
Isithi bamrizala kwa PSL.
PSL ngephi team ufundela kuye PSL?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs ulikhozi? Ulikhozi.
Iparesi lapha.
Okay boy all the best career yakho ne one day uzoba right ne boy. So ingosi boy guys Nomvile Mngwevu esixelela bana yena uthanda ufuna udlala phofu kwi-Sundowns nangona eyithanda kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs. Nabaphina ke abantwana azimidlalo zisho ba-under ucoach uba nguye nomzali ucoach Zolani yena usixelela bana engucoach abantwana iqale phi coach welcome to kwezemidlalo zisho iqale phi ithanda i-coaching and also now busy with the team yakho eMashinville.
Mantathe lithuba ndibulise kuMsasazi ndibulise nakubabukeli eMpuma Kapa TV channel 260 on DSTV. So ndithathe lithuba ndibulise kuwe once again. Uthando lwami kwibhola luqale dala kakhulu. Yona iprogram liyophuhlisa abantwana abancinci. Ndiqale ngo-2008.
Yo.
Nalapho ndayiqala khona ngo-under 13 kuphela.
Okay.
So apha eMashinville ngela xesha bengekabikho development team yabantwana abancinci bizi-seniors. So ibinto entsha leyo. Athi sayithatha ke sayiqhuba i-team kwango-2008 sayoyifaka kwi-Northern Areas Football Association. Nalapho sisahlala kakhulu ke iminyaka lesayindapha sidevelopa ezinye age groups.
And coach, yes, usisho uqala 28 zeziphi onazo that ozifisa nazo every day i-challenges onazo?
Msasazi ezona challenge zingamandla okokuqala i-equipment. Siyayazi sonke lokishini i-equipment into ezifana nebhola izinto ezifana ne-cones i-markers kunzima ukuthi masizifumane. And also into ezifana amabala esijima kuwo awekho semgangathweni ufanelekileyo. Zezinye ze-challenges ezingamandla.
Obviously unamaphupho as a coach now as also i-team yakho yabona ngawaphi amaphupho that you wish that i-team yakho mhlawumbe after 2 years or 3 years ezayo that ngezibi izinto ofuna uzi-achieve your objective maybe as a personal and also as a club yakho yonke?
Msasazi elona phupha lami lingamandla ukuqala lisekubeni into bangaba le development ndiyenzayo ibe nako ukuthi velise abadlali abakumgangatho ophezulu. Not kuNelson Mandela Bay kuphela but kuMzantsi Afrika jikelele. For i-team ndingathanda ukuthi kubafana sisebenza ngabo nabo baqhubekeke bawafumana amathuba njengoba sesenzile ngaphambili because uyawuphawula kune-teams esisebenzisana nazo kwakule Nelson Mandela Bay teams ezifana ne-Future Stars nalapho sithe sathumela khona ohlumelo bayodlala khona. So nakwi-Keep Active Sport Development nalapho sithe sancedisa khona ngokuthi siba-supply ngabadlali abaselula. So siyabawela abadlali ngenye imini ubabona nathi fikelela kumanqwanqwa aphezulu bangaba bahlawulwe badlale kumaqela amakhulu kwelo South Africa.
Kuba coach andimentionanga i-importance yabazali. Ngaba ndiyibhudile le ncoko yam nawe. Uthini umyalezo wakho kubazali baseMshinville?
Umyalezo wami kubazali ndingathi ndiyabulela kakhulu kuba baye bandithemba uba mandisebenze ngabantwana babo over iminyaka, because abafana ndiqale nabo bebancinci kakhulu. Abanye bebena 10, abanye bena 9 years. Up until kwezi age bakuzo ngoku. So ndiyayibulela kakhulu intsebenziswano phakathi kwam nabo. So ingaqhubekeka sisebenzisana xa kukhona izinto abangaziqondiyo, then babuyele kum. Nam xa ikhona utshintsho endilibonayo emfaneni ndiye kubazali ndibaxelele uba ukhona utshintsho ngoko endilibonayo, bakhe sizame umqaphela lo mfana, because andijonganga bhola kuphela, ndikwanguye nomzali ujongene nobomi babantwana ngaphandle kwebhola, uba ngaba bayaqhubekeka bayafunda emakhayeni, babuya ngamaxesha afanelekileyo na bayawenza umsebenzi wasemakhayeni.
Coach, all the best man kakhulu ngecareer yakho with also the boys lapha eMashinville man. Kwaye ungayeki nazo mandata manenkosi kusha lakho.
Inkosi kakhulu Zisi, siyabulela.
Siyabulela kakhulu guys. Sesemidlalo guys with Ulinge Ugcwabe. Guys ningalibali ke to catch uAzishe ku free version play also on our TikTok pages zikhona, on our Instagram MPK TV 260, and also every Wednesday night on 16:30 after the news MPK TV ezemidlalo with Ulinge Ugcwabe uZizi